Hello again. In this short video I want to show the performance of the database. I wrote some tests, and keep in mind that the typical test logic is being executed around the executions, but I think even with that extra logic the performance is pretty well, as we hopefully can see now. First we delete the maybe already present test data, then insert the test data again and start with some typical selects for the database. Every time when the little window here is popping up, the actual execution is done. And we can have we just can have a look here. A little bit counting. At the moment I'm working on count distinct. Some updates. And now I'm preparing the test data for a very complex statement with a complex work clause with all 37 or even 38 columns. But if you want to be sure, just try to keep under 37 extra work clauses. I only tested it for that amount, and that's it. All tests were running through, and I can check my logs now. Okay, that's it. Have a nice day so far.